So I'm now in Canada and I have a workshop. So really it does make sense that I should now probably fix the suspension on the old BM, because what? It broke in Mojave. I've driven 1,000 miles on no suspension and the rattling is causing me to go insane. But also this side is looking lower than ever. So I think maybe something's wrong down here too. Maybe the spring snapped. But anyway, let's get this thing pulled in and see what the problem is. Obviously a top mount, but I'm not sure on the other side. So, let's empty the back of the car and we can see what's what. So now with all that out, we can now take off all these plastics to see what's wrong with the top mount. Well, yeah. So there we go. The shock absorber really was just resting on that plastic. So as you can see, the top of the top mount is no longer in the base of the top mount. But right here, I've got a brand new one. So I guess we just have to take these two bolts out. It's very rusty. Okay. Ow. So, I hate these things, but it's sort of all we've got. Oh, that's not good at all. I've put the wheel under here and some pieces of wood, so if this does collapse, I'm only going to lose 3 fingers, not 5. There's our existing top mount that we pushed through. There's a hole. So we now just need to take the bolt out here from the bottom of the shock absorber, and this whole unit should come out. So now I need to get this bolt out somehow. Jesus. Nope. Nope. Nowhere near. What? So, the neighbouring house has a bench vise, and now it is free. So, I'd like to clean all this up, but as you can see, I don't really have much of any tools here. So that should just go in. So I did actually give around the side of the hole a bit of a file, so it's slotted in. Just like that. So there's our new top mount, and the shock absorber's now back on. So that means this wheel can go back on. We're now on a road test on the wonderful Sunshine Coast of Canada, and it's pretty quiet. I didn't really see it necessary to show you the process of putting back all them annoying plastic parts. There's now a bit of a hole in the trim, obviously, from where the shock absorber was poking through, but as you can hear, it all sounds pretty quiet. Quieter enough for what, 235,000 mile car, just about. It's a very nice area, the Sunshine Coast, as you can see. Just looking for some dinner. Let's see what we can find.